How to delete Viber account permanently. If any day you would like to delete your Viber account permanently from your very Viber application on your mobile device, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Viber application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to go to the search icon on your very mobile device. After you go to the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search Viber there. After you search Viber there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very Viber application, and this way Viber application will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the three dots on the downside. That is the more option. After that, you have to go to the next option, that is the settings option, and tap on settings option. After you tap on settings option, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the next option, that is the option of account, and tap on account. After you tap on account, you can see an interface like this. Now in order to disable or permanently delete your Viber account, you have to go to the option of deactivate account and tap on deactivate account. After you tap on deactivate account, you can see the interface like this. Now you have to tap your very country here, and after that you also need to tap your phone number here. After you tap on your phone number here and tap on deactivate account, this way your very account will be deleted from the Viber application. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.